Here is a pair of JLab Studio wireless headphones. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these, okay? If you have trouble pairing, connecting, one side volume's louder, one side's not working or whatnot. Anyway, first thing is these are currently off, okay? What we need to do the factory reset is first we need to put this in pairing mode. We'll know it's in pairing mode when it blinks red, blue, red, red, blue, red, blue. Once it's in pairing mode, then we just got to press and hold two buttons, the volume up and volume down. Press and hold both buttons for about 13 seconds or until you hear a beep and the light here just turns off. So we're going to do it together. Let's first put these in pairing mode, okay? So let me press and hold this button, power button for a few seconds. Hello? Oh, it said you're connected, okay? But if you're not connecting to the device, right now you should be in pairing mode. It should be blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. But mine is not because I'm connected to a different device. Connected to this one. So I need to put these in pairing mode. So first, let me go ahead and turn these off now. Press and hold that power button for a few seconds. It just said goodbye. Now I need to put it in pairing mode, okay? So now I'm going to press and hold this button this time, and I'm going to keep on holding until it goes into pairing mode, okay? Power button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Hello? Ready to pair. Now it is in pairing mode. Now we can factory reset these, okay? While it's in pairing mode, it's blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. We're going to press and hold the volume up and volume down at the same time. Press and hold both buttons. Keep on holding for like 13 seconds until you hear like a beep here or the lights go off here. So we'll do it together. Volume up, volume down. Ready, set, go. I just heard beep beep. Lights are off. Let go of both buttons and we just performed a factory reset and it automatically turned them off. Now, if you want to connect these to a device where you had it paired, where it was paired before, then first thing is we're going to go ahead and put these into pairing mode, okay? So I'm going to press and hold this button here for a few seconds, and then it should automatically go into pairing mode because we just factory reset these. It's not going to connect to a different device. So now it's in pairing mode. So let me go back to my Android phone here. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to connections. Now, this was the phone that, let's go to connections, and then we're going to go Bluetooth. This was the phone that I was currently, see, it said pair devices, see the JLab Studio, but now it's in pairing mode, okay? So now what I have to do is I have to click on the settings here, and I have to unpair. If you have an iPhone, you have to forget device, so I'm going to unpair, now it's gone, and now under available devices is in pairing mode. I can see it back here, JLab Studio, so now I can click that and give it 1 second. It should show up under paired devices. Oh, so I'm going to pair request right there, and now under pair devices, now it's connected for calls and audio. And there you go, pretty simple.